60 to 75 knots, becoming south or in the evening, with a dominant 75, 45 feet. Showers and isolated thunderstorms with a mile or less. Friday night, north and northwest winds 30 knots, becoming northwest 20 to 30 knots. Seas becoming 14 to 29 feet, then subsiding to 10 to 17 feet. Scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms with visibility 1 nautical mile or less. Saturday, northwest winds 10 to 20 knots, diminishing to 5 to 15 knots. Seas becoming 7 to 12 feet. Saturday night, south winds 5 to 15 knots, becoming south to southwest 5 to 10 knots. Seas becoming 4 to 8 feet. Sunday, northeast winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 6 feet. Sunday night, northeast winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Monday and Monday night, east winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms. Mostly heavy rainfall possible. Very windy and humid with lows around 70. East winds 15 to 24 miles an hour with gusts of 50 miles an hour, increasing to 30 to 40 miles an hour with gusts of 60 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of rain. At the Rocky Mount Wilson Airport, it was fair with a temperature of 75. At Wilmington, National Hurricane Center for the latest forecast, a chance of showers. This too is past its extended chance. Tropical storm force winds can develop this morning with the strongest winds Friday night through Friday afternoon. Hurricane force winds are possible for much of the area, but are most likely along the coast. Strong winds will have the ability to bring down trees, damage structures, and cause widespread power outages. Rain vents with embedded storms capable of producing a few tornadoes will move into the area later this morning. The threat for isolated tornadoes will continue through the day Friday. Very dangerous marine conditions are expected with seas 15 to 25 feet and higher. A high threat of recurrence will continue for all area beaches. Situation overview. Hurricane Dorian remains a hurricane and is expected to come across just off the Carolina. North Carolina. Partly cloudy mid-80s. A poor drainage. Line of Virginia border to Kirby Lawn, eastern Turlock, Gates. Seas mostly lows in the night. So this is National Radio, KHB 37, broadcasting from Wakefield, Virginia, transmitting from Driver, Virginia on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz. The following information is for Hampton Roads in northeast North Carolina, the southern part of the Chesapeake Bay and adjacent coastal waters. At 2 a.m., the eye of Hurricane Dorian was located near latitude 31.4 north, latitude 79.6 west. Dorian is moving toward the north.